Minergy is a Botswana-registered company and is listed on the main board of the Botswana Stock Exchange. The company also has a subsidiary that holds the mining license called Minergy Coal. Its main and core business is to do with the mining, beneficiation, and sale of sized thermal coal into the industrial market. The products exist in 3 different sizes. First, the DUFF, a very fine powder-like substance that has its applications in the cement and lime industries. Next, there is the medium fraction, which is called the bead sizing. It's between 18 and 50 millimeters, and this type is specific for application in boiler and manufacturing processes. Lastly, there is the bigger fraction, which is between 30 and 50 millimeters, which is called the smollett. It goes into specialized heating, manufacturing, and power generation. All these products are sold in the Southern African market, including Namibia, Botswana, and South Africa, with intentions to penetrate the Mozambique and Zambian markets. For more details about products and services, please visit www.minergycoal.com. Minergy prides itself with having a significant resource base amounting to more than 390 million tons, and in extent, 80 million of those tons are open cast and the rest is underground mining. Coal starts at about 5 meters from the original ground level. Coal is quite shallow here in Botswana, making it quite economical to mine. The coal gets extracted and transported to what is called coal handling and processing plant, which is the beneficiation process, and this therefore typically refines about 57% to 60% of the original input. Coal is abundantly available in excess of 200 billion tons in Botswana. The government has played a pivotal role in our operations, as we were fortunate enough to obtain funding and working closely with the Barriers Department. We have evacuated more than 600,000 tons of coal into South Africa, Botswana itself, as well as Namibia. With that being the case, we're ready to allow our shareholders further liquidity and access to a pool of funds. We're looking at further international alliance within the short-term future.